welcome back to Glow by Sana. If you guys don't know me, my name is Sana Khan and I am from Dallas, Texas. Now, today I'm back with another Allure Beauty Box review, and the reason why I'm back is because this month's Allure Beauty Box is so happening, it's so interesting, and the only reason why I signed up for Allure Beauty Box is because of this particular box. If you're new and if you're watching me in the month of July, there's still time. You guys can go and sign up for it, and you guys will be able to get the whole box for only $10, being the first time subscribers. So without further ado, I'm gonna get into the box. First and foremost, this is how the box looks like. From inside, it has a flyer with, of course, Huda Beauty's photo on there. She's gorgeous. And with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. That is true. Huda Katan of Huda Beauty, Huda Katan of Huda Beauty or something like that. You will see, as I said in my previous video, you will see all of the products listed with the prices mentioned. The first thing in this box that you will be noticing is this Alluring lip color by Huda Beauty. Can you believe that? At the packaging, it is amazing. It is just like the regular Huda Beauty lip packaging. The only difference is this, that the lips are kind of blurred and Alluring is mentioned in like bold and caps because this is her collab with the Allure Beauty Box subscription. So let's open this up. And this is how the lip color looks like. We're gonna take it out. And this is a beautiful, beautiful, what should I swatch? Orangey red lip color, which is very different, unique, a little intimidating for some of those you guys who do not like orange kind of lip color, but I love any kind of lip shade, so I'm pretty excited about it. I don't want to mess up my shirt. My lips are already lined, just so you know. Drying, it's looking really pretty and really, I don't know, it is a beautiful color. I love this, and I feel like she should just make it permanent in her liquid matte collection because look at the box, it is beautiful. It feels like that I've received a PR package from Huda, and honestly I did not really pay that much for this box. So this is how the beautiful little pouch looks like. It's a pink, a neon kind of pink color, and it's pretty, it's delicious. And then you open it up, and then you have the most gorgeous lashes by Huda Beauty. These are Samantha number 7. I use them all the time. I'm pretty sure you have seen me using these in my previous videos. When I started doing YouTube, these were one of the first expensive lashes that I invested in. So if you're getting this lash, I think it costs like $22. So if you're getting it within $15 along with all of these products, I think you've already paid for your box. And I never pronounce this thing right, I don't know why. This hairspray is texturizing hairspray, just like in the previous box we received our texturizing spray. This is another one of those, and it's not the full size. The full size is 4.5 fluid ounces, and it is for $26 on the website of Way.com. Okay, theway.com. I know Huda's sister Mona Katan, she came up with a lot of beautiful fragrances, so I'm pretty excited. And you guys, all of these products are like my first impression. I've not used them before. That's why I came with pale lips, because I really wanted to apply the lip color in front of you guys, and I wanted to show you how I feel about it, and you guys can already tell that I'm in love. So this is also I'm going to try in front of you for the first time, and if I like it, I will be ordering it. So the one that we have right here is Vanilla. The name is Kayali. In Urdu, it's like it means imagination. I don't know where she got her inspiration from, but I think that's what it means. So it is Kayali in vanilla, and it if you want to get a 50 ml bottle, that would cost you around $65. So $65. Oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love this fragrance. The next product that we have is this gold mask. It's 24 karat full size gold mask by Tony Moly. And I've seen Huda Beauty use this mask all the time. I'm just trying to look for the price for this mask because I know that this thing is expensive. This mask is like $10. It's like a peel-off mask. So I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. Oh, the real like little snail? Oh, I don't know how I feel about it now, but The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and it's hydrating and plumps up my skin immediately. So I know it's one of Huda Beauty's favorites, but I'm Muslim, so I really want to find out if I can apply that kind of stuff on my face, like snails and all. But if not, then I can always gift it out to somebody else who uses it. But because this is the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, I already have so many pencils by Urban Decay. This is my next. You can already see that I have so many. I already have the black one, so I requested them to send me the other item because you know you had 3 items. They were sending out the one of the 3 products from. You can see it. They were gonna send one of these 3 products, and I was really hoping to get the Benefit Cabro because I've heard really good stuff about it. Plus, I've seen Huda Beauty using it. So I was really excited about this one, and I wanted to get this one, but I got this one, and I'm not disappointed. I like this pencil a lot. But I just called them, you know, I just wanted to ask them. I was like, is it possible that you guys can exchange it for the Cabro thing, you know? And they were like, yeah, we're more than happy to do it. And you know what? They told me to just keep this pencil. How sweet of them. I was like, no, it's okay, you know, just send me the shipping envelope, or even if you don't want to send it to me, I can ship it back to you, you know, it's not a big deal. But they told me, they're like, you know what, it's okay, it's gonna be another hassle, just keep it. If you don't want to use it, you can give it to your friend, but we're just gonna send you the replacement for Cabro. Beauty has sent this 25% off coupon for her website. So I'm gonna be stocking up on all of my favorite products. Okay, so you can only spend up to $1,000, and I'm not even going to reach 500 or 300, but I'm gonna be stocking up on my foundation, on my concealer, and on some of the other products that I love from Huda Beauty. So I'm very excited about this. Okay guys, so with that note, I'm gonna say bye to you guys now because I think it's already a long video. I will be coming back with a lot more content for you guys. If you guys want to watch my skincare, hair care things, you can you know, watch my previous videos, or you can follow me on Instagram. There's a lot more content for you guys over there as well. My Instagram is Glow by Sana, and thank you so much for watching. Bye. Lipstick didn't come out.